Alright, so this is a video about the constant multiple rule. If you remember from the previous video, the constant multiple rule basically states the following. If you take the derivative of some constant times a function, it's equal to, if you just pulled that constant out and put it in front, times the derivative of just that function. Now to show you how this works, I'm going to solve this problem right here, but I'm going to do it two different ways. So this first way, I'm just going to solve it as one whole problem, so as the 2 over x, and then the second one I actually pulled out that 2 because it's constant, it's that c. So I pulled that out in front and multiplied it by the derivative of 1 over x. So I'm going to solve each of these, and hopefully if the constant rule is right, which it is, these two will be equal. So let's do it. Okay, first thing I want to do is, I don't like the fact that this is 2 over x, so I'm going to make this into a exponent. So this is going to be the derivative of 2 times x to the negative 1. Okay, because 1 over x is equal to x to the negative 1. Okay, from here, I'm going to use the power rule and the constant multiple rule. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this negative 1 and put it in front and multiply it by that 2. So we get negative 1 times 2, which is negative 2, times x to the negative 1 minus 1. So negative 1 minus 1 would be negative 2. So you end up with negative 2 times x to the negative 2 power, which is equal to negative 2 over x squared. Okay? Now we're going to do the same thing, so these are equal right here, but I'm going to do the same thing, only I have the 2 out in front. You should notice that the answers are the exact same. So we have 2 times the derivative of, 1 over x, I'm going to turn that into an exponent again. So this time I'm going to have x to the negative 1 power. Like so. Okay, so this constant multiple, I'm just going to put that in front again. Okay, now we need the derivative of x to the negative 1. We're going to use the power rule here, so we're going to put the negative 1 in front. So now you'll have times negative 1 times x, and then you have to minus 1 from this power right here. So negative 1 minus 1 would be negative 2, and you'll end up with negative 2 times x to the negative 2 power. Same as what we had up here. We got to simplify this so we don't have any negative exponents. You'll end up with negative 2 over x squared, and if you notice, these two values are exactly the same. So that's basically the constant multiple rule. For all intents and purposes, all you need to do is whenever there's a constant, just treat it like it's any other number. Just multiply it when you multiply the power rule, and you'll end up getting the same answer. So that's constant multiple rule. If you have any questions about this, let me know.